Welcome to the Lead Pedal Podcast with your host, Bruce Outridge, where he talks all things trucking. Now let's get rolling.
Hey everybody, how we doing today? Welcome to another edition of the Lead Pedal Podcast. I'm your host, Bruce Outridge, episode 1237, and we are going to show you a mini Smokey truck. Smokey and the Bandit, that's right. It's been our theme all week. All of our featured vehicles for this month have come out of the Smokey and the Bandit movie, mainly because we saw them at Truck World. And today we're going to show you an RC model truck. RC is, of course, remote control, so it's the smaller trucks. We're going to be talking with Dwayne today, he's built all the show trucks. I would love to see all of them kind of put together. That'd be awesome for sure. Anyway, we're going to talk to Dwayne today about his, his process and how he builds his truck and all that cool stuff. So you want to check that out. But before we get to that, let's talk about Rims Transport. Rims Transport is a flatbed owner-operator company based out of Hamilton, Ontario. They've got an end dump and they've got a bulk tanker division as well. But you really want to be part of their flatbed division, and of course they haul a lot of steel. And but the nice thing is they don't run too far. They do about 500-mile radius out of Hamilton, Ontario. They've got local division, regional. They've also got some tandem U.S. work, and they also have U.S. heavy. So if you want to run a 4-legged, 5-legged trailer, there you go. Anyway, great company, great culture. Owner-operators seem to like it there. So go check out rimstransport.com. Make sure you tell them we sent you, will you? All right, so we're going to talk with Dwayne today. So Dwayne builds RC model trucks. He built the Smokey and the Bandit trailer and truck, which is the one, of course, the Snowman Jerry Reed drives. And we're going to talk to him about how he built it. So let's get on with it, shall we? Here we go. Let's talk with Dwayne, RC model builder for sure. While we're doing that, why don't you hit the Facebook button for us?
Head over to Facebook now and hit the like button.
All right, so I'm here with Dane. Dane, did you build this? Wayne. Dwayne. Did you build this yourself?
Yes, I did.
Yeah. Are you a Smokey and the Bandit fan from
Big
way
time.
back?
Huge, yeah.
Did you used to drive trucks?
I still drive trucks.
You still drive trucks?
Yep.
Yeah. And so this is what we call it. It's an RC model truck. Is that what that's called? Or?
Yeah, it's a 1/14 scale RC truck. Tamiya makes the truck, but I've actually scratch built the Kenworth cab.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. So is this part of a club, or are you guys just Smokey and the Bandit fans? You just got the one off? Or?
No, we're actually a club,
right.
Scale Builders RC Club of Ontario.
Okay.
And I've built probably about eight or nine movie trucks, famous trucks,
right,
like the Bandit.
Oh, okay. So like the other ones, like that we used to have BJ and the Bear and all those ones.
BJ and the Bear,
awesome,
moving
awesome.
on, and I've done Optimus Prime. Yeah.
Oh, very cool. So now you build this from scratch, or do you buy the basic Kenworth?
The basic kit, but the cab is actually scratch built from styrene.
Okay, and you do all the paint job and all that yourself?
I painted everything, and I got the decal made for the trailer.
So how long would it take you to build something like that?
Usually replicas take me a while because I try to get as close to the original as possible.
Authenticity takes time.
Yeah, and sometimes it's all about the details.
Right. Yeah, it is.
So something like this, when I built it, it took me probably about 1.5 years to build.
Do you get anybody asking you to use these in film? Like if we wanted to, let's say we were doing a recreate of the Smokey and the Bandit, we can't have the guy actually drive the truck. Do they make like little sets and have you guys?
No, I've never been approached by that at all.
I would think that would be very cool for a video.
It would be. It would very well be, yeah.
And save a lot of money getting Jerry Reed and all of that back.
Absolutely.
So it would be cool. Hey, Tom, we're shooting right here, buddy. Sorry. Thank you. Anyway, okay, so now you when do you guys do this? Is this just for shows, or do you go?
Yeah, like we build and we have a club and we get together once a month. We play with our trucks, we swap parts.
Yeah.
And every once in a while we'll actually do a show.
Yeah.
And we bring them out and we like to showcase what we built and people enjoy it.
Yeah. So can I don't want to buy that one, but can I buy one? How do I become part of the club? How does someone get into RC cars? And
well, I mean, if you're interested, you can go on our group page, and you can join, but you have to answer the questions.
Right,
if you don't answer the questions, you're automatically declined.
Right.
But you can come on there. You don't have to have an RC vehicle, but if you join our club, you can come in, you can watch, you can see ask questions, and people are more than willing to help you get into this hobby.
Yeah, and does it matter what you have? Like if I have a truck or a car or a plane, I've seen plane ones.
Yeah, well, our scale builders, we usually stick with the commercial trucks and trailers or construction vehicles. I've only brought the car out here because of Smokey and the Bandit.
Right. Good. Well, thanks for your time today, my friend. I appreciate that. Absolutely. Great job. Keep up the good work.
Thank you. Okay.
All right, that was a great interview with Dwayne there for sure. Hey, if you're building a real truck, then Chrome Supply Warehouse is where you want to get yours. Yeah, they don't do any of that RC model stuff. But you know what? If you got a big truck, they got all the chrome that you need, man. They got everything from custom parts based on 12 gauge. They've got all kinds, whether it's shifter parts, interior, steering wheels, fenders, big bumpers, whatever you need for your show truck to look like a showstopper. They've got it there at Chrome Supply Warehouse, where you can find them. Well, if you're going through Belleville, Ontario, which is halfway between Toronto and Montreal, just pop off the highway at exit 538, go to the north side of the highway, and you can see their big glass blue building there. They got over 8,000 square feet of storage, and they got all the parts right there. They got an amazing staff. Their staff is top notch. You certainly want to check that out. Now, if you can't get to Belleville for whatever reason, you can always order online at chromesupplywarehouse.com. And of course, if you want to follow them and see what kind of people they are, check out their Instagram and Facebook handles for sure. All right, my friends, we'll see you later. Enjoy that. Thanks for being with us. Make sure you follow us on YouTube. That's right. On YouTube is where you can find our podcast and all the videos, so you don't even have to leave our channel. Just search the Lead Pedal Podcast and hit the subscribe button. And if you really want to see some more fun, like our music programs and all that, would you go and search Lead Pedal Radio as well and hit the subscribe button there as well. Don't forget to put the notifications on so you know when we're uploading new stuff, and we will catch you later, my friends. Be good out there. Have a great weekend. Bye for now.
This has been another episode of the Lead Pedal Podcast. For more information or to subscribe to the podcast, visit theleadpedalpodcast.com and be sure to follow the podcast on Facebook and Twitter.